How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of love handles, step-by-step, instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So we're going to talk about how to get rid of love handles. Here's the thing, you guys. A lot of people nowadays are overweight and obese. In North America, Canada, and the States, 2/3 of the population are overweight. 1/3 is obese. That is astronomical. If you go back thousands of years ago, people weren't really overweight. They were, if anything, they were underweight. So what is going on now that people are so overweight and obese? It's the amount of processed food that we consume. And it's insane. The foods that are not processed would be like your meats, most of your vegetables, and your fruits. Basically, everything else in some form is processed. You have minimally processed, you have highly processed. So even it's okay to eat a little bit of minimally processed food, but the highly processed food, you want to avoid it altogether. So here is the thing. When I have my clients, because I've been doing this for 10 years, I've helped thousands of people get rid of belly fat, love handles. The first thing I do is get them to remove all added sugar from their diet. So this would mean all coffee. You can drink coffee, but you drink your coffee black. You don't drink it with sugar or cream. Pop, you remove that from the diet. Powerades, energy drinks, all that removed from the diet. Chips, candy, chocolate, donuts, pastry, white bread, white spaghetti, crackers, high sugary cereals, all that removed from the diet. Frozen meals, all that removed from the diet. Most frozen meals are processed food. That's the thing. You remove that from your diet and the love handles will literally melt off. When I get my clients, when they first start losing weight, I don't even tell them to track their calories. I say, get all the garbage, remove it from your diet, replace it with actual food, and then you will notice a huge difference. So what are some examples that you could do? Well, for your breakfast in the morning, you could have like 3 eggs, you could have some tomatoes, some mushrooms, some spinach, some celery, make an omelet out of it. That's protein, fat, and you got your vegetables and stuff like that. That's really good. Lunch, you can have a tuna sandwich on whole grain bread, for example, with some vegetables, some carrots, stuff like that. Snacks, you can have apples and oranges and stuff like that. Maybe some peanuts or cashews. For supper, you could have chicken if you want to, a chicken stir fry with lots of vegetables and stuff like that. Like, you have to change how you're eating. And the thing is, when you do this, one, you're gonna feel way more full. You're not gonna be hungry all the time. Because when you eat added sugar, all the stuff that I mentioned not to eat, what happens within 10 to 30 minutes is your blood sugar spikes, then it drops. Spikes, drops. When this happens, when it drops, you get hungrier, you get tired. So you eat more, blood sugar spikes, drops. This leads to type 2 diabetes because you become insulin resistant. So what should happen when you eat a balanced meal is your blood sugar goes up slowly, then it maintains it throughout the day. That is how you're supposed to do it, you guys. So that is how you get rid of the love handles, you guys. Remove the junk from your diet. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.